Data models in GIS. Data models are a set of rules and or constructs used to describe and represent aspects of real world in a computer. There are two primary data models: raster data model, vector data model. Vector data. Three fundamental vector types exist in GIS. They are points, lines, polygons. Points. Points are zero-dimensional objects that contain only a single coordinate pair. Points are typically used to model singular, discrete features such as buildings, wells, households with a patient, household of a research participant. Points can be spatially linked to form more complex features. Lines. Lines are one-dimensional features composed of multiple explicitly connected points. Lines are used to represent linear features such as roads, streams, boundaries. Lines have the property of length. Polygons. Polygons are two-dimensional features created by multiple lines that loop back to create a closed feature. Polygons have the properties of area and perimeter. Polygons are also called areas. A health administrative area is an example for a polygon. Raster data. The raster data model is widely used in applications ranging beyond GIS. The digital photographs which have in the file format of JPEG, BMP and TIFF can be shown as examples for the raster data. Once zoom and look deeply into the image, it could be noticed that it is composed of an array of tiny square pixels or picture elements. Each of these uniquely colored pixels, when viewed as a whole, combines to form a coherent image. In other words, a surface divides into a regular grid of cells. Raster models are useful for storing data that varies continuously, as in an aerial photograph, a satellite image, a surface of chemical concentrations, or an elevation surface. With a GIS application, digital maps in raster format can be opened. Create new spatial information to add to a map. Customize them to perform a spatial analysis. Shapefiles. The vector format that can be read by most of the GIS applications are known as shapefiles. A shapefile is at least made up of 4 parts of files in different formats such as SHP, DBF, PRJ, SHX. Explanation of each file type is as follows. SHP. The file contains the geometry of each feature. DBF. This is a DBase file which contains the attribute data for all of the features in the dataset. The DBase file is very similar to a sheet in a spreadsheet and can even be opened in Excel. The SHX is the spatial index. It allows GIS systems to find features with the SHP. The SHX is the spatial index. It allows GIS systems to find features quickly. The SHX is the spatial index. It allows GIS systems to find features quickly. The PRJ is the projection file. It contains information about the projection and coordinate system.